Imagine a clear head, a calm mood, a natural sense of energy and confidence, and feeling vibrant and strong and trim in your body. These can all be yours without a prescription. So what's your number one ally in getting your hormones balanced? It's food. In my cookbook, Cooking for Hormone Balance, I want to share with you the medicinally proven 20 superfoods and 20 super herbs and spices that will help you rebalance your hormones. And don't worry, these recipes will never leave you feeling deprived. Like starting the day with a farmer's wife's breakfast that will keep you focused, energized, and free of cravings. Or sip on the better than coffee latte made with roasted chicory, dandelion root, and maca, helping you detox the liver, boost immunity, and rebalance your hormones, including reducing hot flashes. Make simple, mouth-watering, grain-free pizzas with immune-boosting medicinal mushrooms that the whole family will fall in love with. Discover the gut-healing prebiotic power of jicama and pomegranate slow. Pomegranates are a sacred food used in many women's healing traditions. Learn to incorporate other hormone-balancing foods such as broccoli sprouts, flaxseed, and pumpkin seeds. I created this book for any women struggling with thyroid and adrenal issues, PCOS, menopause, and estrogen dominance, which includes conditions such as fibroids, endometriosis, and fibrocystic breasts. I'm Magdalena Wszczylaki, creator of this book, and I'm here to help you. As women, we've been told our symptoms are in our heads. We've been told it's normal, learn to live with it, eat well, eat less, exercise more, take this pill. What we haven't been told is this: food can rebalance your hormones. Remember, your symptoms are not in your head, they are in your body. Packed with research, customized meal plans, invaluable tips, and delicious recipes, my book, Cooking for Hormone Balance, is your guide to wellness, starting now.